Happy-or-Not provides the most innovative and effective solution to improving customer and employee satisfaction every day.
The Happy-or-Not service is a combination of feedback-collecting smiley terminals that capture the emotions of people's service experiences, and a cloud-based reporting service that transforms the feedback into actionable result data. To date, we've collected and reported over 250 million feedbacks worldwide.
What makes Happy-or-Not so unique and successful is that our solution is quick, fun and easy to use for both our clients and their customers. Every day, over 500,000 people use our service to give feedback. We collect 20 times more feedback than any other solution on the market, and we have helped our clients to improve their customer satisfaction at least 10% per year.
At Happy-or-Not, we see our success through such achievements as doubling our profits annually, tripling our workforce and client base, and operating our services in over 70 countries. We are connecting thousands of companies with hundreds of millions of people worldwide to make the world a happier place.
The idea for Happy-or-Not was born by our CEO and co-founder Heikki Väänänen 15 years ago as the result of frequent poor customer service at his local electronics store. Feeling frustrated at having no way to communicate his dissatisfaction, he thought there has to be an easy way to let them know how I feel. In 2009, Heikki met with Ville Levaniemi and the idea resurfaced, and with combined 2,000 euros, they started Happy-or-Not.
Our company is 100% privately owned and operated. Our team is made up of young, enthusiastic professionals and a reseller network of over 70 companies across the globe. We feel very strongly that the secret to our success is our own happy team. We pride ourselves on having a work culture based on openness, trust, and transparency, encouraging individualism and freedom to be creative. We also like to have fun and be active in the community, and support and participate in various sports and cultural activities, and always celebrate company or personal achievements, both big and small.
In addition to being an excellent customer satisfaction improvement service, Happy-or-Not also works in human resources. And even we use the 4 smileys in our offices to collect feedback from our employees to make sure that they feel happy with their work every day.
We also want to ensure that both our clients and resellers are happy with the Happy-or-Not service and customer care support, so we conduct satisfaction surveys of our own. Our results show that our clients were over 85% satisfied, our resellers were over 90% satisfied, and our client care support is rated at over 90% satisfaction.
We have opened the flow of communication between companies and customers. Our smileys give people a voice to express their feelings, and our reporting service gives companies instant, credible, and continuous insight into service performance, helping them to improve and make their customers happier.
We encourage you to give us your feedback in the form of a big green smiley vote and make Happy-or-Not the national public champion for Finland.